What is going on, family? Cribs here. Thanks for coming back and chilling out with your boy for one more video. I have something amazing that I am excited to bring to you. You may have heard of this company before, but this is the first time it's been on BeardSWAG Barbecue channel. It's Jay's Beard Essentials. Jay reached out to me and asked me what it was going to take to do for me to do a review and get his stuff on my channel. Asked me how much it was going to be. I told him nothing. Just send me some products and I'd be happy to blast it out to the family and let you guys know what my first impressions are. And then I'll review the products for a week or so. And then I'll get back to a review for you to let you know what I think about the products and how they smell, the stank factor, and how it feels in beard. But before we move any further and get into this video, I want to say hello to somebody that may be new here for the first time. Yes, you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, BeardSWAG Barbecue. I'm your host, Mike Cribs. I'm known as Swag in the bearded and the barbecue community. I have an Instagram channel that is _BeardSWAG_barbecue. Welcome. Right down below, there are some buttons that you could smash for me to help this channel out and help me get out to some other people that may like videos on barbecue, videos on beard products, videos on positivity, an encouraging channel, a safe place to come out and chill for a while, have a beverage, and be a family. So welcome. Enjoy the intro. I'll be back in just a second. We're going to dive into these products. All right, it's time. I've got it unboxed. First impressions of the boxing? Everything was secure. Everything was individually wrapped with the popping wrap things, the little protectors that you got on it. The box was full. Nothing was going to break. Plus, first impressions of dealing with the owner, Jay himself, reached out to me and asked me what it was going to take and how much I charged to do a review. And I told him nothing. I don't charge for reviews. I like to support small batch companies and people that really like my channel and reach out to me. I'm there to support. So all I need is product. As long as I don't have to pay for the product, that's great. That's another good way for me to get a review. And then send me, more than just one oil and one matching butter. I would like more than one. 3 to 5 would be perfect for a week or 2 of testing. Oil, matching butter to go with it. I don't do balms. He was gracious enough to send me out 3 oils, 3 butters that are matching, and then it looks like a beard conditioner. Kind of blew him away a little bit, I do believe, but we have become family, and that is by no means just because I like the owner and we're friends, and we have a good relationship there. I'm going to be honest about the review of what I think about these products. I have a discount code. Jay was fortunate enough or blessed us enough to give us a family discount code, which is SWAG15. So you get SWAG15, use it on your order. If you've ever tried this company, Jay's Beard Essentials, let me know in a comment below and let me know what you think about it and your dealings so everybody can see not just my impression, but this is a platform for you as well to give your comments, to encourage people to either go there or not go there by your experiences. I know there's a lot of people that have been doing a lot of reviews, and there are a lot of family members out there, community members that have already tried this, but this is my first time. So owner, gracious, kind, and was very encouraged by us doing something together. So I thought that was cool. Now, as I'm looking at the products here, the oil bottles especially, all 3 of them are different. They all have different toppers. They're different colored bottles. The labels are a little different. I don't see any kind of consistency going on with the products, which I like. I like my stuff to match. And to flow with each other, except the one, and it kind of stands out, and that's the one I'm going to start out with, which is Peachy Keen. Look at that bottle. Look at that label. Look at that topper. Everything just pops, and that's what I love about it. Man, that focus too. Pow, and then right back to me. Pow. And this is on a Samsung phone. It's how I do all my videos. That was quick, but that's not what we're here. Love the colors. Love the labels. The ingredients and the scent profile is on here, which I love. And this is his blend of the month. Whoops. Official collab with Mr. Beardsley 18 and Jet Fuel Jackson. Okay. So the blend of the month, I do believe what Jay does is he grabs either a reviewer, an influencer, or just community members, gets together and thinks of think of a scent profile. They get together and talk. So that's what the blend of the month is. Peachy Keen. Let's see what this is all about. Okay. Peach. A stanky peach, like musk. Cologne. Let's see what it is. Peach, coriander, cardamom, palo santo, white musk, rosemary, guaiac wood. I don't know how you say that. Neroli and neroli. So to me, it looks like a thick consistency oil. Let me see what it smells like. Let me get some on my arm right there. Oh yeah, I can smell it's a peach cologne. Musky peach cologne profile. Peach heavy. Musk. It's a peach cologne. That's what it smells like to me. That's going to be a strong, probably all day long lasting profile. I like that. I like that a lot. I can't wait to see it basically change in the beard. That is a sophisticated freaking blend right there, guys. The butter comes with a topper, a safety topper. Oh, I guess I should show you. And they're digging on it without you. So poured butter. I thought it was going to be gritty, but it's not. And it matches perfectly. Gosh, that's a cologne. A peach cologne. I like that. So that's Peachy Keen. Let me grab a rag. Get that off my fingers. I don't want to taint the other stank. Very, very loud profile. I like that. I like that loudness. So, second, and what I'm talking about, completely different bottle. Or bottle, topper, everything's different. Label's a little different. You can see the head on J is a little bit bigger. And on this one, there are ingredients, but no profile. Peachy Keen is sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, broccoli seed. I think I may have already read this. If not, I'm going to read it again. Meadow foam seed oil, very nice mixture. Rice bran oil, squalene oil, argan oil, Jamaican black castor, which I love. Fragrance, and essential oil. On this bottle, this label, there is no scent profile. I do not see. But this is after party. Info and directions. So on this one, the ingredients, this one I mean after party, sweet almond oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower seed oil, rice bran oil, castor oil, fragrance, and essential. Different blend completely. Shake this one up too. I got to get it. Mix them up for your after party. First impression's probably going to be some kind of a cologne for nighttime, date night. Okay, yes, same kind of a cologne scent profile to it without the peach. I'm going to do this on this arm. Still a medium viscosity, I would say, 100%. They're thicker. Now let's get this one. Warm it up. Okay, it's It's definitely a cologne, but I think there are it's flowery notes on it. And I'm not a big fan of flowery notes. Maybe some, what is that? Maybe some pepper? I don't know. I'll try it. But it's definitely a bright, refreshing scent profile that is definitely a cologne. That's going to last. These two profiles so far, I know just by the first impressions on them, they're going to last all day long and they're going to change. But this one definitely has flowery notes in it. I don't know if it's lilac, rose. Not bad. But I'm just not a flowery guy. So that's after party. But this is first impression, guy. You never know when I put it in beard and use it for a week if I'm going to fall in love with it and it changes. But I don't know the scent profile of that, but I'll get on his website and see. Butter, I'll show you that too. Might as well. And it's got the ingredients on the side. Shea butter, mango butter, coconut oil, grapeseed oil. So they're going to be different as well. So that's two that are different. The bottles that are a little bit different. I don't mind that, But if you're going to, and he's probably changing. I think he's changing a little bit. See, it's on the side instead. That may be an old design, maybe wanting some new bottles. He's going to be changing. Two complete different profiles. Both cologne. Different carrier blends, which I don't mind. And then you got Cavanaugh's Orchard. Look at that bottle. And you can tell this has got some, oh, that's cool. Look at how the bottle changes from dark to bright at the top. Totally different topper as well. You can see all three of them. They're different. That's what I'm talking about. I like a little more consistency. But see what this one is. Let's see what we got here. Okay, this one has the scent profile on it, which is cool. And the blend on this one is emu oil, sweet almond oil, broccoli seed oil, meadowfoam seed oil, alma oil, squalene oil, rosehip oil, macadamia nut oil. So 3 different blends and 3 different oils. I'll bet you what he's doing. It's not that he doesn't have any consistency or want to use the same. I think it's like a review I did about a year ago on a company that I won't talk about right now, but they cross-train your beard. They do it on purpose so your beard doesn't get used to one blend of carrier oils. You get different, which is good and healthy for your beard. It really makes a difference. I like that, actually. So maybe that matches the bottles. I don't know. First impressions. I'm going to have to do a little more research on this. So let's get in here on the sniffer. I'll tell you what the scent profile is since it's on here, and I love that. Just show you the bottle. Here's the ingredients. 1 ounce oils and 2 ounce butters. Scent profile is apple, pear, oud. Ooh, cinnamon, woodsy musk, I like, bergamot, patchouli, lime, geranium, sea salt, fresh lime, musk. That is sophisticated. That is complex. First impressions. Ooh, I got to show you that. Emu oil. I like. Okay. Top notes. Fruit, apple, and the pear I can smell with some musk. Ooh, I cannot get it right out now, but I'm going to warm this up in my hand. 1, 2, 3, and I'll just show you some consistency. That is about what the oil is like on all of them. A medium, right in the middle, medium viscosity. I get the fruit. I get some more flowery scent profile, probably the geranium. I get some musk. Cologne, definitely a cologne scent profile. All different, all complex. Not something I'm used to. But that's okay. Get out of my comfort zone. Oh, but that's definitely a cologne. That is definitely a rich, bright, but with that musky note. Whew, that's going to be great. That's a date night one for sure as well. I like it. Nikki would like that one too. It's not feminine. It's manly, but it's right up there. Same way. The apple and that pear dominant, but I can definitely get the shea butter smell out of this one. Yeah, there's definitely shea butter. Let's just see this one right here. Yeah, get the after party and the Cavanaugh's Orchard. You can definitely get some of the profile on it, but I can definitely get some of that shea butter ingredient out of it as well in the profile. I guess that's my first impressions, guys. Very excited to get this stuff in beard. I'm intrigued by them. Not something that I would pick, but I hope that oud comes out in this Cavanaugh's. I really do. And then the beard conditioner. It is kind of a liquid. Let me get some out. Yes. Here, I'm going to show you. Sorry, I'm so shaky. It's almost a gel. But I'm going to try that too. I don't want to waste that. Unscented. All right, that's my first impressions mega unboxing of Jay's Beard Essentials, guys. Leave some comments below of what you think if you've tried this company before. And I hope you're looking forward to the review because I'm going to start using this stuff tomorrow. That's what I got, and I'll quit saying But as always, guys, I love you. I'm proud of you. Go ask somebody for forgiveness. Go give somebody for forgiveness. Go lift somebody up and go encourage people to be better. And as always, family, I love you and I'm proud of you. Cribs is out. God bless.